Hello guys, this is Yash. Today in this video we will discuss about path name and one of its type, which is relative path name. First we will see what is path name. A path is a unique location to a file or a folder in a file system of an OS. A path to a file is a combination of slash and alphanumeric characters. Alphanumeric characters is a term that encompasses all of the letters and numericals in a given language set. In layout design for English language users, alphanumeric characters are those comprised of the combined set of the 26 alphabetic characters A to Z and the 10 Arabic numericals 0 to 9. Or a path name is a sequence of symbols and names that identifies a file. Every file has a name called a file name. So the simplest type of path name is just a file name. You do this by specifying a path that the operating system must follow. The path name always starts from your working directory or from the root directory. Now we will discuss about relative path name. A relative path is defined as a path related to the present working directory. It starts at your current directory and never starts with a slash. The relative path name are opposite to absolute path name. A relative path name does not begin with a slash. Generally, you specify the location relative to your current working directory. This is the most useful to short a path name. For example, if your current working directory is /home/tom and if you would like to change directory to /home/tom/docs/bio, you can enter command cd docs/bio instead of cd /home/tom/docs/bio. Unix offers a shortcut in relative path name that uses either the current or parent directory as a reference and specifies the path relative to it. A relative path name uses one of these cryptic symbols. A single dot, this represents the current directory. Two dots, this represents the parent directory. Now we will see the example of relative path name. Changing directory with the absolute path concept. Here we have $pwd. On the next line we have /home/kt, then $cd, then again in the next line /home/kt/abc, and next line $pwd, and next line /home/kt/abc. Now we will understand what is on command line. When we enter $pwd, it will show our present working directory. Then as output we get /home/kt. Then we enter $cd to change directory from kt to abc. Then we again enter $pwd to check our present working directory. Then we get /home/kt/abc. Here directory is changed from kt to abc. Now we will see some key points related to path name. First, it points to the location of a directory using current directory as a reference. It also referred to as a non-absolute path. It refers to the location of a file or a directory file system relative to the current directory. Relative URLs are used to link to other websites that are located on the same domain. Now we will see how it differs from absolute path name. First, in terms of meaning, Absolute path, also referred to as a file path or full path, refers to a specific location in the file system, irrespective of the current working directory, whereas a relative path, on the contrary, refers to the location of a directory using current directory as a reference in terms of URL. An absolute URL points to a very specific location on the web and contains all the necessary information to locate a resource. Relative URLs, on the other hand, are more easy to use because they are relative to the page they are on. In terms of Windows, an absolute path contains the full address of a file location to refer to a certain directory in the computer, whereas the current directory is taken as a reference to locate another directory in case of relative path. A relative path contains a partial address of an absolute path based on its relation with the directory to which it's linked. Now moving on to the next slide, we will see questions. Here our first question is: search for a pattern with a grep and ACED and look for a file with a find. Test the return value of each command when it displays no output. What conclusion would you draw? Here generally we have to search for a pattern with the use of grep and set and look for a file with a find and return value and test the return value of each command. Here we get answer: only grep returns a false exit status if the pattern is not found. Set and find do not. Moving on to the next question. Write a shell code to accept a string from a terminal and echo a suitable message if it does not have at least 10 characters using case and expression. First, without using expression, echo enter a long string, read name, case $name in question mark asterisk bracket close colon asterisk bracket echo string shorter than 10 characters. Here we will enter a long string, then read name, it will read the string we have given, and case $name will enter a value in the place of question mark. There are 10 question mark means it can take 10 characters. Then echo string shorter than 10 characters. ESSE case is closed. Moving on to the next part, the case construct in first can be replaced with this: if expression $name colon then this expression, then echo string shorter than 10 characters. 5 means 5 statement is a fundamental control statement that allows shell to make decisions and execute statements conditionally. Moving on to the next question. Use xpr to extract the parent directory from the absolute path name of a file stored in a variable x. Here we answer expr $x in double quote colon single quote backslash bracket dot asterisk backslash bracket close forward slash square bracket square forward slash square bracket close asterisk and single quote. Moving on to the next question. Write a script that accepts a file name as argument and displays the last modification time if the file exists and suitable message if it does not. Here we answer file equals to $name which shows save file names before set override set. If dash f dollar file then it if file exists. Set is this will set file and directories of a dollar file. Echo the last modification time of dollar file is $6, $7 and $. It will echo, else file is not found, exit 2 will be echoed. 5. Moving on to the next question. Write a script that accepts two directory names bar1 and bar2 and delete those files in bar2 which are identical to their namesakes in bar1. cd $1. Here cd will help to change the directory and $1 is first command line argument. For file in start, do in this all files will be included. If this expression is dot dot slash $2 slash dollar file, then compare file dot dot slash $2 slash dollar file greater than slash dv slash null and rm dot dot slash $2 slash dollar file. Done. Thank you.